Oh hi, didn't see you there. In this episode we're talking about and doing this sign right here, which is a Toledo, Ohio firefighter sign. This, let me adjust the camera here, there we go. This sign had quite a few changes that I need to make. My standard firefighter emblem looks kind of similar, but I had to make changes to up here. Normally it says fire department. Here we added Toledo, and then underneath Ohio. We also made quite a few changes to the interior. Just some detail that was different from my original emblem that I normally use. We had a little bit of a different ladder and a hook, and we also had this fire hydrant and the axe a little bit different. So had to go in and made quite a few changes. We're featuring the last name of the firefighters on top and his station underneath. And yeah, this is a special walnut, like a light brown. Comes with a nice border and these are actually some hexagons, nuts, kind of nut and bolt type thing. I used that originally on my garage signs, but you know, looks pretty darn good on the firefighter sign as well. This sign took quite a bit doing on the design work, but got it done. Also here in the inner circle, fire rescue department, I had to change all that and add that to it, so quite a bit of work on here. Alright, without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. Before we get started though, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Oh, okay, and while you're at it, hit that bell that's right next to it so you get notified anytime I release a video. That way you don't miss any of these projects that I release. I'll wait again. Okay, and while you're at it, wearing out all these buttons, make sure and hit the like button. Should be on the left side. Yeah, should be down here on the left side. Smash that like button, and if you really hate this stuff, then hit the thumbs down button. But if you don't, I would really appreciate it. Cool, so let's get started.